What is up, everybody? How's it going? So first off, in the comments below, tell me, are you a Jonathan Rea fan, or are you a World Superbike fan in general? If not, why, and what other series, or like I say, bike series, or what other form of racing are you the most a fan of? But back to the topic, Jonathan Rea, the most winning rider in the, as I look at this, as they describe it, the championship in World Superbike rider in championship history, with Superbike champion in 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Wow. At age 34, he has hit the 100 race win stat milestone, whatever you want to call it, and that's crazy. 100 wins in World Superbike. I mean, that's just dominance. I mean, 305 starts, 101 wins now, technically, because he won the second race of World Superbike, 186 podiums, 27 poles. That's wow. I mean, that's 1 out of every 3 races in his career he wins. He's a 33% winner in every race, not just in his championship years. That's including all the years 14, I think he started in 2008, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, where he wasn't champion. He's still winning races then on different bikes, but the moment he got on that Kawasaki, and whatever it is about Kawasaki, you know, they do really well in World Superbike, obviously, because he's just the master at it. They don't run MotoGP, so that's not something. They do pretty well in Moto America, at least in the 600 class, not so much in the Superbike class, but he is the epitome of just rider and bike coming together perfectly and dominating. I mean, World Superbike has some really, really good riders, and you know, you're looking at full factory squads for Ducati, Yamaha, I think Suzuki's in there, I'm not quite sure, whatever. Honda, you know, really good riders, really good teams, really good bikes, and he's just crushed it. And he's a really cool guy too. If you watch it, like any of his YouTube videos or anything like that, he has a really nice personality. He's not some stuck-up guy who's just, not hate to say it, but he's no Lewis Hamilton or anything like that. But I mean, it's incredible. Awesome job for Jonathan Rea. Congrats on the 101 wins. Now this is apparently one race too late for that 100 win. Congratulations. But yeah, tell me down in the comments below again. Are you a Jonathan Rea fan? Different race fan? What do you like the most? Do you think it's, good, like, what do you think of this accomplishment? Obviously, because I think 33% winning percentage is hilariously good. Almost a 50% podium finish too. Like, that's just astronomical. So, comment down below as you're scrolling down there to do it. Hit the like button. Subscribe as you're scrolling by that too. And hit the little thumbs up so you know when I'm posting. And I'll see you all later. Peace.